Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I make this nice, good beef stew. Very delicious. I made it actually in the stove. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we got our pan oiled down a little bit, and what we're going to start off with is some mushrooms here. We're going to put all this into the pan, cook this down. Hang on, I'll come back. Okay, what I want to do is take the lid off for a minute, and then we're going to stir this around. I think it would help a lot of bit if I turn the fire on a little bit. Put it on medium. You don't want to cook too fast to burn it. And you want to cook this down. Okay, come back. Okay, we got our mushrooms here. Been cooking a little bit. I didn't add nothing to it because I'm going to be adding these to the stew we're making. Okay, I'm going to turn the fire off on these because these are cooked enough here. Okay, before I start adding the vegetables, what I like to add to this is a little bit of soy sauce in this. Help bring out that meat flavor. Another thing I like to add is a little bit of liquid smoke. Okay. Okay, I like to dump in some French style green beans. Okay, next up is we're going to put some can of corn in here. We still got some bags of corn that we're going to put in, or not corn, but carrots. We're going to put some carrots in here, and we're going to put a bag of squash in here. Yellow and green squash. Okay, I'm going to put some chopped onions in here. Okay, next I'm going to put chopped up cauliflower all over this. Okay, next I want to put some mushrooms in here. Sorry. Okay, I want to put some chopped up black olive. There you go. Okay, next we're going to put some diced tomatoes in here. Oh wait, there you go. That's just my puppy making that noise over there. Okay, we're going to put beef stew seasoning on this. Okay, we put the whole pack on this. Okay, we're going to put one more can of diced tomatoes in this because I feel like it needs it.
How many cans you got in there?
I got 2 cans in here. Yes, it's enough, but it's going to be good. Now I'm going to stir this together right here. Let me get this all blended in. Yeah, like that. And we're going to put a foil on this and we'll come back. Okay, now we're going to put a foil on this. Put it into the oven for 350 Fahrenheit for about 2 hours or so, or until it's done. We'll come back and check on it. There's my Jack Russell puppy. She's the one making that noise with that little toy down there. Look at her. She's fully registered papers, and she's a good puppy, Jack Russell. Her name's Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea. Good girl. Good girl, Sweet Pea. Okay, there it is. Just now pulled that out of the oven. Now look how beautiful that is. We're gonna dip some here in a minute. Look how tender that meat is right there. I'm telling you, that meat is very tender. That piece right there. Look at that. Falling apart. Look how this... that's so delicious. We'll come back here. Okay, here we're going to take a taste test on this. This is very delicious. This beef, it's real tender beef, real lean, thin, and it came out perfectly. Almost got hot, but that was so good, so flavorful. Oh my God, you gotta try this stew. This stew is so delicious. Got a lot of tenderness. You can taste that stew in it, that beef stew in it. Oh my God, it's so much better than when you put pork. You have to use beef. It's good. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you ain't already, and hit that bell so you don't miss a notification when it comes out. And I'll see you next time. Oh my God, it's good.